synth a bit louder? Sorry. I'd like to do a song, yeah, that's good, entitled The Q and Greg's.
The Q and Greg's.